Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Today we're going to take a look at this residential structure coming off this home here. So what I have the most concern about on this space here is two things actually. If we use gas heaters, then we are required to get some kind of ventilation for the ceiling area so that the exhaust gases will flow out of there properly. And then two, I know there's going to be some can lighting in here, and I'm kind of concerned about what that actual placement of those can lights are going to be. Customer wants the entire space here heated properly, and so let's just go right into that. Let's go with the dimensions first. So I have 19 by 15 and a half, and I believe the height of this steel I-beam is about 9 feet, 11/16 of an inch. So we'll call it 9 feet, I guess. In any case, there are some can lighting, and I don't have the exact position, so you might have to just move the heaters down further so that your lighting array will be utilized properly. And the customer said something about a 6 foot by 4 foot flat ceiling, but I don't understand that component of it. So I just have it laid out like this right now. But the main thing is that we get the area covered, and I looked at putting heaters up in this area, the flat ceiling area. It just didn't function right. And get the best coverage. So I have them laid out on the left and the right, and hopefully that'll be what the customer is looking for. And let's just turn these dimensions off. And so let's go ahead and put the heaters in here. So what I have is the heater, and I know there's going to be like a finished piece of wood on the bottom of this I-beam here. So I have these heaters 6 inches away from that, and then also 6 inches 6 inches from, let's go in here if I can get in there quick enough. Yeah, 6 inches from the top here to these rafters here. So you can see that they're evenly placed. Let's just go back in our dimensions real quickly and get kind of where our distances are. And so I have them roughly at 9.5 feet apart from each other, and then from this, we'll just call it the post edge here, we have roughly 4 feet 8 inches. So that'll be the distances that you'd utilize. And again, this side is the exact same mirror of that side there as far as the heights here and distances back here. 6 inches from this back edge, and then, well, the piece of wood that's going to be underneath here, and then 6 inches from the top. Now, should you need more, or if you wanted to bring these heaters up a little bit, you can do that. I'm going to turn that off. Whoops. And get rid of this here real quick. Yeah, so if you wanted to move these heaters up a bit, let's say that you wanted to just bring them up from this edge, you could do that. And as long as you're not in the way of those can lights, is my concern. And you can do that and then reduce the angle that I have these at. I have these at a 10-degree angle right now. And let's just go ahead and look at the array. I'm going to change this back to what I had before as far as the positions in a second here. But yeah, the with a 10-degree angle, you have a nice coverage of this whole entire space. Let's go back here real quick and see if that works. I think there we go. And then we'll put the array back on here. So yeah, you can see that you have a nice coverage of the entire space here with two, and these are, excuse me, with four. These are 6,000 watt units, so they're dual elements. You can either do them in the the WD or the WC model, which would be the two dual element units. So that's what I have for you today. If you like this video, if you're looking for some assistance with your patio or your application, please give us a call. I'm Steve Walton from Tropic Heating. Thank you very much. Have a great day.